So our clients will reach out to us either over the phone or the website directly, and I'll always be the initial point of contact. And so I will reach back out and schedule an on-site consultation. During that consultation, I've got a lot of questions for clients. Clients have questions for me. We get to know one another, and I introduce our process. Our process is fairly straightforward and simple. First, we start with an estimate. I'll send an estimate over after our on-site consultation. If that estimate looks like it's in the right ballpark, then we'll do a design drawing. And from the drawing and design, then I'll introduce you to your project manager who will take the project for you through to completion. After completion of the project, we always check in a number of times to make sure that things are going well. We'll check in immediately after the project is completed, and then again about 6 months later and about a year later to see if there's any questions, how things are going, make sure that people are staying satisfied. We also, immediately after completing installations, will see if anybody needs maintenance help, see if our clients need maintenance help.